Good afternoon and welcome to Caroline Guest House as I bring you an exclusive interview with the Caroline Guest House consultant in person of Mr. Abiodun Abimbola Olaniyi. You are welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Caroline Guest House and Hotels. Tell us more about it, the year of establishment, the services you render, and the capacity.
Thank you very much. We commenced operation 1st of August 2003, and our services include luxurious accommodation, restaurants, bar, laundry, and other sundry hospitality activities. We are also into catering and event planning. Thank you very much.
Okay, so what about the capacity? When we look at the building, is a very gigantic one. So tell us about the capacity.
We have a 25 rooms apartment, which comprises of standard room, executive suites, and deluxe room.
Sir, how is your services rating compared to other guest house in this town?
Thank you very much. Competitively, we are present in the market. Our prices are quite favorable. Our service also is quite okay. And we're creating a niche in the industry in this particular town hour. Thank you very much.
How competitive is this guest house in this community?
Like I told you, competitively, we are favorable located along the expressway. If you are going to Ibadan or you want Ijebu-Ode or Lagos, it makes us accessible to all customers that are coming. That makes us very favorable and competitively located. Also, our prices are quite cheap compared to other hotels around and affordable also. And our service also is a top notch, if you allow me to say that.
Wow, that's good one. I really love that. Based on what you said, that your services are quite very competitive and friendly, but what compared to other guest house in this environment, when you look at this environment, how secured is this guest house?
I would like to say that the place is very secured. About 2 buildings to us, we have the security service. Also along the road, we have the police and the mobile police stations also. And also we have our own internal security arrangements. And we synergize with all these government securities operatives. So I would say that any guests that want to come around, they are very safe and the place is well secured. And the ambience of the place also, when you come in, you see the beauty of the buildings, the ambience, the hospitality of the staff. All these are what make us tick in the industry in our home. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. So I would like you to give your goodwill message to your customer in order for them to feel more comfortable whenever they are coming into this abode.
Thank you very much. I just want to reach out to every of our customers, the new ones, that when you come here, you will enjoy the best. This is at home away from home from you. We are hospitable. We will serve you right, and we'll give attention to every little details that will make your stay favorably with us, so that when you go out, you also make a reference, a positive one. There is what we call the moments of truth in the industry, whereby when the guests come around, they enjoy our service, they will tell another person, that person will tell another person, and that person will tell another person. That is what we are all out for here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time spent in giving us an opportunity to interview you, and we pray that may God grant you more knowledge and understanding, and may He make this your humble guest house a home from home, as you said earlier.
Thank you very much. I just want to seize the opportunity to thank you people on behalf of the chairman, Otumba Kehinde Onolaja, and the entire staff of the hotel, that you people, you are really welcome, and we really appreciate you. Thanks very much.